In this video, we are going to illustrate the plot diagram. The first part of the plot diagram is the exposition, or the introduction. Here, the characters are introduced and we learned about the setting of the story. So, in this scene, we see that it is taking place in front of the market in the apartment building, and we see our characters. The grocer, Mr. Fitz. Wave and say hello, Mr. Fitz. Hello, everyone. And we see Sally walking her dog, Spot. Now we move into the rising action. In the rising action, we see a series of events that pulls us forward into the story. Here, Sally and Mr. Fitz are having some polite conversation. And now we see Sally doing some shopping at Mr. Fitz's market while Spot waits patiently. So next in our plot diagram, we come to the climax, which is a key scene in the story, or the event with the greatest emotional involvement in the story. And here we see Sally paying Mr. Fitz for her fresh fruits and vegetables, and she's ready to walk home, and she looks everywhere, and she can't find Spot. She is very distraught. The next part of our plot diagram is the falling action. And the falling action is a series of events that happens after the climax in the story. And so here, part of our falling action is we see Sally and Mr. Fitz both looking frantically for Spot, wondering where he could be. And the final part of our plot diagram is the resolution, where everything is tied up nice and tidy and our story comes to a conclusion. And our conclusion here is that Sally found Spot sleeping under the mailbox, and she's very happy to see him, and they walk off together towards home.